Hacksnick's Bird Scare is a simple but effective humming line that will scare the birds away from your precious crops. It works by vibrating, humming and catching the light to create ever-changing sounds and movements that scare the birds. It's simple and easy to set up. Place rounded stakes or canes 3 to 6 metres apart on your plot. Tie the humming line to the first stake, about 30 centimetres above the crop, and stretch it taut, making a few twists in the line. Take it 2 to 3 turns around the stake, and so on. By tying the line at different heights and setting it at different angles, you will ensure that it hums whatever the wind direction. A little bit of experimentation on your plot will make sure that you get the best out of Bird Scare. It will protect your salads, soft fruits, brassicas and more, and help you avoid the frustration of bird-damaged crops. So to keep that happy gardening smile on your face, make sure that you have Bird Scare ready to put out on your plot.